Hey, how's your day going?
Not bad, just a typical Tuesday. Yours?
Have you been to that new restaurant downtown?
Yeah, tried it last week. The food was fantastic. Have you been?
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Definitely. Hiking and biking are my favorites. What about you?
What's your favorite type of music?
I'm into indie and alternative. You?
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
Just relaxing, maybe catching up on some movies. You?
Do you have a favorite book or author?
Hard to choose, but Murakami is up there. You?
Coffee or tea?
Tea, especially herbal blends. How about you?
How do you handle stress?
Yoga and meditation help me unwind. What about you?
Have you ever traveled solo?
Once went backpacking in Europe. It was an amazing experience. You?
Do you believe in luck or hard work?
A bit of both, I guess. What's your take on it?
Ever been on a spontaneous road trip?
Yeah, once to the coast. It turned into an unforgettable adventure.
What's your dream travel destination?
I've always wanted to explore the hidden gems of New Zealand. You?
Any memorable travel mishaps?
Once missed a train in Paris, ended up discovering charming cafes. You?
Do you prefer beach vacations or mountain retreats?
I love the beach, the sound of waves is so soothing. You?
Have you tried any exotic foods during your travels?
Ate fried scorpions in Thailand once. Quite the experience. You?
How do you plan your travel itineraries?
Research and recommendations. Flexibility is key, though. You?
Do you collect souvenirs from your travels?
Yes, magnets from each destination. They tell a story. You?
Ever experience culture shock while traveling?
Definitely, especially in bustling markets. It's part of the adventure. You?
Best travel memory so far?
Watching the sunrise at Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Absolutely magical. You?
How do you stay connected while traveling?
Mostly with a local SIM card. Google Maps is a lifesaver. You? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.